To connect Sony WH-1000XM6 headphones into your Android phone, first of all, you will have to start by opening Google Play Store and download the Sony Sound Connect application. Now, when this application is downloading, you will have to move into your headphones and you have to click and hold this power key until this indicator starts blinking. So it will allow us to enter for the pairing mode and connect these headphones. So click and hold it, just watch on that indicator and wait till it starts blinking. So now, as you can see, we can release and the headphones are in the pairing mode. In the most Android smartphones, you will also get the Google Fast Pairing that will allow you to just quickly click connect and be connected. But if you don't have this feature, then you have to start by going to the settings, move into the connected devices, basically search for the Bluetooth device on your Android phone and select WH-1000XM6 and accept the pairing request. Now, when we are connected by the standard Bluetooth settings, we have to go back into the Google Play Store and we have to open Sony Sound Connect application. Now we have to select our country and region and we have to click here that we read the above contents and agree. Click Start, click Agree and Proceed in the right bottom corner, click Agree and start using again, and here there's some kind of the weird information that it doesn't allow us to connect, but don't worry, just click allow for this permission. And now just be patient and wait a little bit for this connecting process. If there will be any issue, then I'm gonna show you easily how we can fix this. But as you can see, everything is fine, so we can click connect and go forward. Now we can actually sign in into the Sony account, but I'm not gonna do this, so I'm gonna click later. Now you can restore some settings if you want, but I'm not gonna do this for sure. And here we've got the quick guide of some features of this device. So to quickly start, I'm gonna set later. I'm gonna click later and select to go to the tutorial. And I'm gonna click X in the right upper corner to finish. And as you can see now, we are just successfully connected with our Android phone and the Sony headphones.